Next, the question is, box 1 contains 3 cards bearing numbers 1, 2 and 3. Box 2 contains 5 cards bearing number from 1 to 5. And box 3 contains 7 cards bearing number from 1 to 7. A card is drawn from each of the boxes. Let xi be the number on the card drawn from the ith box. Now the first one is the probability that x1 plus x2 plus x3 is odd. Now we have 3 boxes, 1, 2 and 3. Now the first one we have 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now from this one we have selected x1. Here we have selected x2. And here we have selected x3. Now first one is we need to find the probability that x1 plus x2 plus x3 is odd. Now it will be odd if all 3 of them they are odd, or we get odd from one and then even from other 2, or it could be odd from second, or it could be odd from third. So these are the 4 possible cases. Now getting an odd from this first box, it is 2 by 3. Odd from second is 3 by 5. And odd from third is 4 by 7. Now plus odd from first 2 by 3. Even from second 2 by 5. Even from third 3 by 7. Now even from first 1 by 3. Odd from second 3 by 5. And then it will be this 3 by 7 plus the even is 1 by 3. It is 2 by 5. And then here will be this 4 by 7. And that's the required probability. Now this probability will be 24 plus 12 plus 9 plus 8 divided by 105. Now this is 20, 44, 44 plus 9 is 53. So this probability will be 53 upon 105, and that's your option B. Now the second part is we need to find the probability that x1, x2, x3 are in AP. Now it can be an AP with common difference of 0. In that case we'll have 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 3. If we say common difference of 1, then we can have 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. If we take common difference of 2, then we'll have 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 3, 5, 7. And if we consider common difference of 3, then we'll have 1, 4 and 7. Now t equals to 4 is not possible. Now there is one more case when the value of d is -1, and there we can have 3, 2 and 1. So these are the possible cases for an AP. Now it'll be this 3, 3 and 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So total number of ways in which we can choose x1, x2, x3, they are in AP, it is 11. So this required probability, it will be 11 upon. Now total number of ways of choosing them. Now for the first one it is 3, for the second one it is 5, and then it is 7. So it will be this 11 upon 105, and that's your option C.